Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in the Glossybox June 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. Today we're unboxing Glossybox. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, I think. And every month you will receive 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup. And if you want to subscribe to the Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will receive this box for only £10, which is, I think it's really a good bargain. So yeah, let's see inside. So for this month box is their usual pink box. Here we go. This is their usual pink box, and then we have the card. You need to scan the QR code. And this month theme, lovelies, it's summer rendezvous. I think it's French. So let me scan this QR code. Here we go, the magazine that I scanned with the QR code. And as I said, the theme is the summer rendezvous. And then first things first, let's see the spoiler for next month. So next month will be a theme box. It will be a different design box, and it says, inspired the beauty of the ocean and all the lace beneath it is our July dive-in Glossybox. And just like the deep blue sea, this stunning special design box is filled with new discoveries to be made. Next month's spoiler will be one we are eager to share with you now is the amazing gel effect polish from Nails Inc. in the shade Mayfair Square. This nail polish is the perfect accessory to any summer outfit. Whether you are heading for a dip or not, we can't wait to dive into a whole new world of beauty. So here we go. So I hope you can see it. So this is the design box, and this is the spoiler for next month. But also, lovelies, in this booklet you will see the tips and tricks, the French skincare hacks to get you a glowing complexion, the modern manicure. There's a lot of stuff in here, and I really enjoy reading this magazine, to be honest. And let's see each one. So in this box you have your ribbon, as always. You have your pink tissue paper. So excited for next month. The design box is really gorgeous. Here we go. Ooh. So yes, let's see first this one, which is from Loccitane. I really love this brand. I've tried few products from there, the hand cream one, and they are really good. This is the dry skin hand cream. It has 30 ml. So this is the product. And this is a perfect size when you go travel. And this one is rated for £8. The full size, which is 150 ml, it's rated for £22. And it says, and this is the shea butter hand cream, and here it says made with natural origin ingredients. This hand cream is enriched with 20% organic shea butter as well as argan and coconut oil. Super smoothing. The balm penetrates quickly to protect, nourish, and moisture hands. And this perfect travel size essential is ideal for looking after your hand held on the go. I really need right now. This has the sealed, but let me open it because last week we went to camping and my skin feels really dry at the moment. So here we go. So here is the product. Very thick consistency. The smell, I have cold at the moment, but I can smell the oil, and very smoothing. It has the shea butter smell, very refreshing. It reminds me of the, you know, the baby wipes, it smells like that. It smells the gorgeous, like the talc powder. It smells like that. Very, very moisturizing one. Very, very thick consistency. So yeah, here we go, the first item. And the next one we have here, this is from Seatte Bamboo Bronzer. I hope I didn't blind you, lovelies. And this is just a travel size. I think I have the highlighter, but this one is a bronzer. Here we go. It's a tiny one, perfect for travel. And this is the shade. Very subtle shade, perfect for all skin type. You can build up this bronzer and it's gorgeous. It has those little stars there. And this one, it's in the shade Palm Island. So as I said, this is a travel size and it's retail for 8 pounds. It has 2.2 grams inside. The full size, which has 68 grams, it's retail for 24 pounds. And it says, get sun-kissed skin with serious staying powder infused with bamboo extract and vitamin E. This bamboo bronzer has been formulated with ultra fine pigment to create a wayless, natural looking second skin finish without any tag. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Dr. Eve Riot. I don't know, I can't pronounce it. This is the vitamin C hyaluronic acid night moisturizer, vitamin C plus 60 ml. So here we go. Let me smell inside. Doesn't smell of anything. I know this one is very expensive. This is a full size and it's retail for £59.99. Wow. In a travel friendly tube, this limited edition moisturizer contains one of the best form of vitamin C. This combined with hydration boosting ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, argan oil, and rose oil aims to brighten uneven skin tone and replump tired, dehydrated looking skin. So this is the third item. And then the next one we have, this is from Green Frog Botanic Soap Lemongrass, using 100% vegetable fat, 90% natural ingredients. It has 15 grams. It smells like lemongrass. Smells like refreshing, smells good. And this one is retail for £2.95. This is a full size and says, packed with 90% natural ingredients, this gentle soap gives you a super refreshing lemongrass clean. The result, it will leave your skin refreshed and supple. It smells nice. This is perfect when you travel. When I went to camping, I brought with me soap bar instead of the liquid one, because it's very handy and it doesn't leak in my bag. So yeah, smells good. Smells good, the hand cream. I really like the smell. So yes, and the fifth product I have here, I think this product will receive only the new subscribers one, which is this one from Star Skin VIP, the Gold Mask Eye Revitalizing Luxury Cold Foil Eye Mask. I really love this one. I tried before and it's really good. It has one per each side. It's very hydrating under your eye. I don't know if it does depuff my eyes, but after I use this one, I feel my under eye really soft, smooth. And this one is rated for £6, and it says, experience the ultimate VIP treatment with this luxury gold eye mask, smoothing puffy eyes and wrinkles with an impressive combination of potent ingredients. Expect dramatic result in just 15 minutes. Your under eyes will look reborn. So yes, and the current subscribers, lovely, will receive the Filorga Oxygen Glow, which is this one here. I hope you can see it. And then or the Purity 3-in-1 Facial Cleanser, which is in here. So yes, you will receive one of those if you are current subscribers. If you are a new subscriber, I think you will receive one of these. So yes, that's all, as you can see. And let's do a recap. So this month you will receive a travel size from Loccitane dry skin hand cream, which has 30 ml, and as I said, it smells nice. It reminds me of the baby wipes, so it reminds me of that smell. And then you will receive a travel size from Seatte London, which is the bronzer. I think the bronzer, bamboo bronzer in the shade Palm Island. Here we go. And then you will receive also a full size from Dr. Eve Our Youth. I hope I pronounce it properly. Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Night Moisturizer. And then a full size from Green Frog Botanic, the soap lemongrass. And new subscriber received the Star Skin VIP. So yes, overall, lovelies, I think it's not a bad box in my opinion. It's not their best box, but it's not their worst box in my opinion, because 5 out of the 5 products I will definitely use. So yes, it's a thumbs up for me this month too. And as I said, I really love the Loccitane hand cream. I really enjoy using this one. And you lovelies, what do you think of this box? Did you receive already? I think I'm quite a bit late because, as I said, I was away last week. I received this box last week, so I didn't have time to film it. And also, are you thinking to subscribe to this box? If you do, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will get this box for only £10. And yeah, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.